This is the video guide that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Vo.aspeiyt.icu. This video is solely for the demonstration purposes, of course. It is the educational purpose of the video. In the video, I will tell you things that you should not do. Vo.aspeiyt.icu is a pop-up that tries to encourage its visitors into downloading the unwanted browser extension. The pop-up claims that your file is ready and that you need to download the file by clicking on this button. However, when this button is clicked, the browser gets hijacked with third-party browser extensions. So instead of actually downloading any file, people download the browser hijacking extensions. Therefore, these pop-ups by Vo.aspeiyt.icu are faulty and deceptive, and you should not interact with them. By the way, all these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. You need to carefully remove any unwanted browser extensions which could be mistakenly added. So go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Now disable and remove any extensions that are not decent. Finally, I would recommend that you thoroughly examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.